Embark on a journey with Metfi Dao, where we're reshaping the future of investing block by block. Since our groundbreaking launch in 2022 marked by record-setting smart contract deployments and token burns, we've been at the forefront of blockchain innovation and community empowerment, leading with the introduction of the Metfi Marketplace and lending platform, founding the Metfires Gaming Guild, and masterfully conducting token halvings. We've laid a steadfast foundation for our collective future. In 2024, we diversified our 15 million treasury into BTC and SOL, revolutionizing our platform with a comprehensive app rewrite and launching the Metfi BSC indexer, elevating the user experience. We've strategically expanded our ecosystem with investments in Elixir and Forward Protocol, our latest ventures. Awaiting the certic formal verification badge, we stand on the brink of a new era of security and trust. The path forward is charged with excitement, with Ocean Summit 2, the MetBot Alpha debut, and a fresh app UX. We're crafting the future with precision and passion. Come Q3, we'll introduce credit card payments, integrate with a new wallet, and continue our venture into groundbreaking blockchain projects. In Q4, we're setting new benchmarks with Ocean Summit 3, our decentralized launchpad and an advanced lending platform, then marking our fourth halving as a milestone of progress. Your voyage with Metfi Dao is just beginning. Together, we're not just participating in the blockchain revolution, we're leading it. Forge ahead with us. Join our Telegram and Discord for real-time updates. At Metfi Dao, your voice is the catalyst for the future of finance.